Mechachao niwe. Mechachao niwe. Mechachao niwe no bodo. Mechachao niwe no bodo. This girl, you have no fear.
Uncle!
What is it?
What do you think you are doing?
What am I doing?
It has gotten to the level of you to come to my father's compound and plot this rubbish.
Monica, me planted this rubbish.
What is that in there? What is that?
Monica, what is my business with this thing?
Hey!
What is my, who plants what? What did I plant?
What evil uncle do I have? Because I told you to give me account of my father's property. That's why you had the guts to come into my father's compound and plot this rubbish, this 20 naira juju.
Me? 20 naira? Who planted this thing? You put this in and you start accusing me. What did I put this in? Monica?
I'm accusing you.
Yes, you are accusing me.
Hey!
Hey!
You know it's good for you. Take that rubbish.
Take what? You take it.
Uncle, take that rubbish.
Take it. You are the one that kept it
I
there.
saw you putting it there now.
You saw me when? When did you see me? Monica, what have I done to deserve this? How can you be accusing me of planting juju in your father's compound?
The funniest part is that this thing can't even do anything.
They can't do what?
You're wasting your time. This is 20 naira juju now.
Hey!
You guys do original small talk. You're doing this rubbish.
Monica, say,
if you lay your hands on me, uncle, I will forget that you're my uncle. If I finish putting you today,
I will show you who I am today. Monica, get out of this place.
Jesus, this man is taking.
Monica! I said get out of this place.
Pick that.
I should pick what I didn't keep.
Pick or you kept.
You kept it!
Me! Uncle, pick that.
Monica, so you're not afraid again.
Afraid of who?
You want me to show you now who I am?
Uncle, him that is in me is better than him that is in you.
Ah!
You just a small juju.
Who is that person that is in you?
Don't
Monica! 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 Yes!
Hey! Uncle, Chalo.
More! Rebecca, this guy's one with the power. Monica, please.